Hi, welcome back on my Lego build channel, and in this video we will build another pack of this Lego Taj Mahal 21056. And in this video we will build another pack, and it is only one pack 8, and also we are on the page 151, and in this video we will build the roof of the Taj Mahal and other things. And first of all, the new videos of this channel will be every Tuesday and every Friday, and that's new. And on the Tuesday it will be news videos, and on the Friday it will be a speed build video. And that's for news, and I think let's start about it. And also you can look on my Instagram every Monday. I make some picture from some Lego technique, architecture, or some news, and then I put on my Instagram. And also you can give me subscribe, like, or you can write some comments. And I think that's all. I see you next week at a new video. Bye.